The Buccaneer project is funded by the European Regional Development Fund through the Ireland-Wales Cooperation Programme.
Welcome back to part 3 of the Buccaneer Innovation video series looking at ideation. We've already looked at how you can create your ideas and then start to prioritize them. In this video, we'll be looking at different perspectives that you can use to really focus and prioritize the development of those ideas. We're going to use a method called the De Bono 6 thinking hats. Imagine yourself with 6 different hats in front of you. Each hat is a different perspective that you can take to examine your ideas. Imagine you're going to put on and then take off a new hat every time you look at your ideas from a different perspective. We want to build on this to bring the ideas that you generated in the first task to the next level. As well as becoming aware of different perspectives, this allows you to focus your ideas with a few simple rules. The 6 thinking hats allows you to use the 3 C's. You can be creative, you can communicate well, but you can also be critical of others without fearing that you're going to hurt their feelings. Let's introduce these 6 thinking hats. Managing, emotion, optimistic response, creativity, information, discernment. Start with putting on the managing hat. When wearing this hat, you have to set the rules for this exercise and agree the rules for communication. You answer questions like, how much time will be spent on this stage? When working in a group, one of you might keep wearing this hat and moderate while the others proceed through the process. Next, assume you're wearing the emotion hat. This represents a direct and emotional attitude. What are your first reactions when you think about the idea? You can react spontaneously and think of questions like, who will be affected? How would they react? In the next step, you should be optimistic. Think of everything that is great about the idea. The next hat to wear is creativity. Be as creative as you like. The aim is to develop even more ideas in the same direction. As a last step, you move between the last 2 hats, information and discernment. You collect all the information about the ideas that you can gather, and then you critically review them based on everything that speaks against the idea. The outcome should be a refined set of ideas. Now it's your turn. Take the time, either by yourself or with a group, to wear each of those 6 hats. If you follow the process, you'll be able to be as creative as you can be, and the ideas will be as refined as they should be. Hopefully, you've now been through the process, you've worn all 6 hats, and you've got some refined ideas. Don't worry if there's still work to do. It's completely okay to go back, look at video 1 and video 2 to come up with some more ideas, to focus them and prioritize them as you think you need to. Take as much time as you need because this is important to your business. Come back for the next video where we'll be looking at selecting the ideas that have the biggest potential for your business.